So at the end of this topic, we can have the definition of the method as methods are the collection of statements that are grouped together to perform a specific operation. And now here let us recall the syntax of our method. This public static is known as the modifier. This void is basically the return type, and this main is actually the method name. And here we have the formal parameters or the formal arguments. So we can call the formal parameters as formal arguments as well. And now within this method we have to write our code that is known as the method body. And at the end of the function we have the return statement. And if we have void, then this return statement is optional. And suppose we are calling some function, let's say findsum, and passing some values. So theoretically these two values are called the actual parameters or the actual arguments. And whatever value that we are passing to this method which is defined here, these two parameters are again known as the formal parameters or formal arguments, similar to the main function here. And again we have the method body and then the return statement. So in this topic we learnt about how to call a method, how to pass values to the methods, how to return a value from the methods, and also we saw some advantages of using methods in Java, such as it reduces code redundancy, then it simply increases the code reusability, and also it makes our code very cleaner and easy to read. And also at the end we checked out the method overloading that can be defined as same name but different parameters. As for example, here we have some add methods that has the same name but different number of parameters or different parameter data types. Now before concluding this topic, I would like to show you something. So far in our course, we have used many important predefined methods. As for example, we used the method of string.concat, string.charadd, system.out.print statement, and also scanner.nextInt. These are few of the examples of the predefined methods that we have used so far in our course. So all these examples that I have cited in front of you are nothing but the methods in Java, and all these methods perform some specific functionality, such as the scanner.nextInt helps you to get the user input as an integer value. So this was all about the topic of methods in Java. And now, coming up next, we are going to check out what is exception handling in Java.